Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Sora to generate any video that you want. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can visit sora.com, this one, and then you're going to sign in. And if Sora isn't available in your country, you can use VPN. And I recommend you to use this VPN, Urban VPN Proxy. You can add this VPN to Google Chrome extension. And you can change the location to USA. And if you want to use Sora 2, you can click on this one, join new Sora, and then you can enter the invitation code guys. And to get the invitation code, you can join openai Discord server, and you can search the code on X. Usually some people share the code for free. And then if you still cannot get the invitation code, you can use the alternative, and I'm going to show you the alternative guys. So you can visit this website, sora2.cloud, and you can visit you can sign in with your Google account. Sign up with your Google account, and then you will get 10 credits for free, and you will be able to generate any video that you want. For example, all these videos. Okay, I have already used my credits to generate all these videos, and if you want to earn more credits, you can invite your friends. You can copy this invite link and share it to your friends, and you can get 10 credits per sign up. And if you want to generate video, you just need to add the prompt here and add image as reference and click on generate video, and it needs 10 credits. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Sora 2 to generate any video that you want. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.